Dear student of class 10, today I will solve some problem of physics portion electricity and in NCERT book exercise. So question number first, a piece of wire of resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. These parts are then connected in parallel. If the equivalent resistance of this combination is R dash, then the ratio R upon R dash is. So this question MCQ. So first part 1 upon 25, B 1 upon 5, C 5 and D 25. So now solution of this question, how will choose MCQ question, then initially I will solve this question. So now resistance of wire given resistance of wire is equal to R, cut into 5 equal part. So resistance each resistance, each parts of resistance is equal to R upon 5. Cut into 5 equal part, each part of resistance R upon 5. So each equal part of resistance connected in parallel. So each part connected in parallel, each parts connected in parallel and if equivalent of resistance R dash given here in this question. So 1 upon R dash is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon R4 plus 1 upon R5. So 5 resistance are connected in parallel. So parallel formula 1 upon R dash 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon R4 plus 1 upon R5. So each part are equal. So R1 is equal to R upon 5, R2 is equal to R upon 5, R3 is equal to R upon 5, R4 is equal to R upon 5, R5 is equal to R upon 5. So equal part cut. So R1 is equal to R upon 5, R2 is equal to R upon 5, R3 R upon 5, R4 R upon 5, R5 is equal to R upon 5. Now these resistance put here, we get R1 upon R dash is equal to R upon 5 plus 1 upon 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 r upon 5। सभी रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 की जगह पुट कर देते हैं, फिर इसको सॉल्व करते हैं। Then 1 upon R dash is equal to, now reverse this, 5 upon R plus 5 upon R plus 5 upon R plus 5 upon R plus 5 upon R। So now reverse this, you 5 upon R, 5 upon R, 5 upon R, 5 upon R, 5 upon R you can write। So now R, these are same, so this is R। Now taking LCM, R, this is LCM R। If LCM are same, then numerator plus 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 1 upon R dash। So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, this is 25 upon R, 1 upon R dash। So now reverse this, so R dash is equal to R upon 25, R upon 25। So now ratio is equal to R upon R dash। So R, this is R, resistance R and R dash। So now find R upon 25, now put here R upon 25। So 25 reverse 25 R upon R, this is cancel out। So ratio is equal to 25। So this is D option is correct। So therefore D option is correct। Question number 2, which of the following terms does not represent electrical power in circuit? First part I square R, B I R square, C V I, D V square by R। So now how will solve? So now solution of this question। So now power, electrical power P is equal to V into I। So this is V into I, this is C, and also V, since V is equal to IR, by Ohm's law V is equal to IR। V value potential, where V is potential, I electric current, R resistance। Now potential put here, so P is equal to IR into I। So this is I square R। So this is P power I square R. This is option A. And again, I since I is equal to V by R. So now put here. So P is equal to V by R square into R. So V square upon R square into R. So R cancel out. So this is V square by R. So V square by R. So this present in option. So B is not present in this option. So B is correct. So therefore I R square does not represent electric power. I R square does not present in electrical power. So electrical power P is equal to VI. So learn it. And also P is equal to I square R. And third, P is equal to V square by R. So learn it also. So I R square does not present in electrical power. So B option is correct. Question number 3. An electric bulb is rated 220 volt and 100 watt. This is potential, this is power. When it is operated on 110 potential, the power consumed will be. So option first 100 watt, 75 watt, 50 watt and 25 watt. How will choose correct option? So solution of this question. So now potential. So potential V is equal to 220 volt and power is equal to 100 watt. So now power is equal to power P is equal to V by R, or R is equal to V square by P. Now replace this and this here. So R is equal to V by P. So now R is equal to V, value of potential V is equal to 220 whole square upon P means 100 watt. So 220 into 220 divide by 100. So 0 cancel out. So cancel out. So 22 into 22 get, so 484. So this is resistance. R is equal to 484. So this is resistance. So unit of resistance ohm. 484 ohm. So now replace potential, reduce. V dash is equal to 110 volt. So now P is equal to V square by R. So now P is equal to V dash square, so v, this is v square, replace v, so v dash square, power is equal to v by r, so potential v dash, so v dash square by r. So now v 110 whole square upon r means, so now find it, 8484, so this is power, so 110 into 110 divided by 484. So now 11, so 11 put 4 4, so this is also this and this 4, so 100 upon 4, this is 25 watt, so 25 watt, so P is equal to 25 watt. So this is power, consumed power 25 watt, so D option is correct. So therefore D is correct answer. D is correct answer. Question number 4. Two connecting wire of the same material of equal length, equal diameter are first connected in series, then in parallel, is in an electric circuit. The ratio of heat produced in series and parallel will be. So now choose option. So now how will solve? So solution of this question. So now let a resistance of wire is equal to capital R. So this is two resistance. So two resistance are connected in series, connected in series, then R dash is equal to R1 plus R2. So now take R1 is equal to R and also R2 is equal to R. So now put here, so R plus R, so this is 2R, R dash is equal to 2R. So in series and again connected in parallel, connected in parallel, then 1 upon R double dash is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. So now 1 upon R double dash is equal to 1 upon R plus 1 upon R. So 1 upon R means R, 1 plus 1. So 1 upon R double dash is equal to 2 upon R. So R double dash is equal to reverse R upon 2. So if two resistance connected in parallel, so equivalent resistance R double dash R by 2 and connected in series, so equivalent resistance R dash is equal to 2R. So now electrical power. Electrical power is P is equal to V square by R. Or heat produced is equal to V square by R. Also these are same. Electrical power P is equal to V square by R, and also heat produced V square by R. So in heat produced in parallel, heat produced in series. So Ps is equal to V by R dash. So V square upon R dash means 2R. Ps is equal to V square by 2R. And also heat produced in parallel. So Pp, heat produced in parallel. So V square by R double dash is equal to V square upon R double dash R by 2. R dash R double dash R by 2. So now 2V square by R. So P. So this is also, and this is parallel heat and also series. In series, ratio of heat is equal to Ps upon Pp. So Ps for V square upon 2R upon V square 2V square by R. So V square by R. So V square into R upon 2R into this is 2V square. So this is cancel out, R cancel out, 1 upon 4. So ratio is equal to 1 ratio 4. So C is correct answer. C is correct answer. C is correct answer. Question number 5. How is voltmeter connected in circuit to measure potential difference between 2 points? Voltmeter is always connected in parallel, and ammeter connected always in series. So voltmeter is connected in parallel. That's all. Thank you.